Welcome to this tutorial video. Want to design a curved wall quickly? In just a few minutes, we'll walk you through the entire process and recreate this case step by step. Let's get started. Select the wall surface and click to enter Wall Editor. Enter the Wall Editor page. Use the rectangle tool in the top toolbar to draw the base shape of the feature wall according to the design requirements. Then hold down the Shift key. Select the wall surface that needs to be set in an arc and click on the chamfer option in the floating window. Choose the outer fillet, input the radius as required, and set the extrusion value for the designated wall surface. Click Wall Decor from the left sidebar. Select Paints and Coatings from the top. Choose Green from the color. Select the appropriate material to place in the target area. Then select White from the color. Select the material you want to place in the remaining area of the wall. Next, select Modeling Line, enter Edit Elevation, and choose Wall Decor from the left sidebar. Select Paints and Coatings from the top. Choose White in the color, and apply the required materials to the elevation areas. Then click Done. After the setting is completed, select the set modeling line, click Duplicate in the floating window, and paste into current styling area. Once the setup is complete, you can drag and enlarge the upper right view window to check the design outcome and see if adjustments are needed. If no adjustments are necessary, you can click Exit with Save at the top right corner. After rendering, you will get a satisfactory render image. That's all. Thanks for watching.